In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PST file in Outlook 365. A PST file is simply a personal Outlook data file that lives on your computer. It's great for archiving old emails, organizing projects, or moving mail between profiles and devices without affecting your main mailbox. I'll walk you through 2 easy ways to create one inside the Outlook desktop app so you can pick whichever feels more natural. First, make sure the Outlook desktop app is open and that you're on the Home tab. From there, look toward the top left for the New Items button. Click it, hover over More Items, and then select Outlook Data File. A window will appear asking you to name your file and choose where to save it. Give it a clear, memorable name, something like Archive 2025 works well, and choose a storage location you can easily find later, such as your documents or a dedicated Outlook folder. When you're ready, click OK. If Outlook asks whether you'd like to add a password, you can set one, then click OK. This is optional. If you do set a password, make sure you store it somewhere secure, because you'll need it to open the file later. If you prefer quick access and you're working on a trusted device, you can leave the password blank. Now let's look at the second method, which you may prefer if you like managing files from Outlook's Account Settings. Click File in the top left, choose Account Settings, and then select Account Settings again. In the window that opens, switch to the Data Files tab. Click Add, and Outlook will prompt you to specify a file name and location. Make sure Outlook Data File.pst is selected as the file type, then choose your folder, enter a file name, and click OK. This adds the new PST to your Outlook profile so it appears in your folder list. After creating the file by either method, you'll see a new set of folders appear in the left pane of Outlook, typically showing as the name you chose. You can expand it and start dragging emails or folders into it whenever you want to archive or reorganize. If you don't see it right away, try collapsing and expanding the folder list or checking the Data Files tab again to confirm it's been added. That's it. Thanks for watching.